Welcome to Biohacking Tips. In today's episode, we're combining two essential elements for a vibrant and radiant life: healthy lifestyle tips and skincare nutrition. If you're eager to enhance your well-being and achieve glowing skin from the inside out, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty insights. The synergy of lifestyle and skincare nutrition. Your lifestyle and nutrition choices play a vital role in the health and appearance of your skin. In this video, we'll explore how you can harness the synergy between these two aspects to achieve skin that radiates health and beauty. Nutrition for skin health. We'll dive into the world of skin. Nourishing foods and nutrients that can help combat aging, promote elasticity, and maintain a youthful complexion. Discover how what you eat can truly impact your skin's vitality. Hydration and skin glow. Proper hydration is a cornerstone of skin health. We'll discuss the importance of staying well hydrated and explore beverages and foods that can boost your skin's moisture levels for that enviable glow. Antioxidants and skin protection. Antioxidants are your skin's best friends when it comes to protection against free radicals and UV damage. We'll unveil the antioxidant-rich foods and supplements that can shield your skin from harm. Collagen and elasticity. Collagen is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. We'll explore collagen, boosting foods and natural sources that can support your skin's youthful resilience. Omega-3 fatty acids and inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids are anti-inflammatory powerhouses that benefit both your skin and overall health. We'll delve into the sources of omega-3s and how they can calm skin inflammation. Lifestyle choices and skin radiance. Your daily lifestyle choices, such as managing stress, getting quality sleep, and regular exercise, can profoundly impact your skin's radiance. We'll discuss how to incorporate these habits into your life. Natural skincare regimens beyond nutrition. We'll explore natural skincare routines and products that complement your efforts to achieve healthy, glowing skin. Learn about non-toxic, eco-friendly options for skincare. Holistic approaches to beauty. We'll introduce you to holistic approaches to beauty that emphasize self-care, mindfulness, and gratitude as essential components of radiant skin and overall well-being. Skincare nutrition in your daily life. Practicality is key. We'll provide tips on how to seamlessly integrate skincare nutrition into your daily routine, making it an enjoyable and sustainable part of your life. Your path to glowing skin as we conclude our journey through healthy lifestyle tips with skincare nutrition. Remember that your skin is a reflection of your overall health. By making mindful choices and nurturing your body from the inside, you can achieve radiant skin and a vibrant life.